Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make low carb fried chicken, beautiful KFC style keto fried chicken, and I've got the blog post down below which has the full recipe, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the recipe a try and what you think of it. So I have used chicken breasts today, but you can use chicken thighs instead if you like. And to start with, I'm making a marinade by mixing together an egg with a couple of tablespoons of sour cream until we've got a nice creamy mixture. Pop a bit of salt onto the chicken breasts or thighs and then cut it into strips. And then it's just a matter of adding all of the strips into the marinade and giving it a good stir through. You want to make sure the marinade is well mixed through with the chicken so it gets all of the flavor and gets it nice and tenderized. So once the chicken is fully incorporated in your marinade mixture, we'll pop it into the fridge for a few hours or overnight. Now let's get on to the spice mixture. We're going to start with half a cup of almond flour and then add half a cup of parmesan, a good generous shake of salt. I'm going for oregano and paprika as my seasoning herbs of choice, but there are loads of options which I will write down in the blog post down below for you. Give the spice mix a good mix through so the flavor is all incorporated. And then when it's ready for the dunking, get your chicken back out of the fridge. Just get a frying pan preheated on the stove top with plenty of oil. I've used coconut oil, but you can use any oil that you like. And while it's preheating, we can get on and crumb our chicken. So take each piece of chicken and just generously dip it and roll it in the crumbing mixture that you made. And keep repeating with all of the chicken until you have a plate full of crumbed chicken pieces ready for frying. And make sure the frying pan is nice and hot and add in all your chicken pieces. Once the chicken is golden on one side, give it a flip over and then cook it until it's golden on all sides and completely cooked through. Once the chicken's cooked, I like to pop it onto a plate lined with paper towel for a little bit just to cool a bit and to just absorb any excess oil. And then take a look at my chicken pieces. Lovely low carb fried chicken. It's KFC style. It is just so good, so tasty. And inside is lovely and tender and just perfection. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the recipe a try and what you think of it. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.